How to create an interactive task list having add, remove functions. As you can see in this preview, here is a sample HTML code for an interactive to-do list. Here we have an input field and a button, which allows users to type and submit their task. Here we are using a UL with an ID to-do list, which holds the list of tasks the current user have added. Additionally, we are adding the jQuery library to the HTML page by using a script tag. This jQuery code enables interactivity for the task list. When the document is ready, it listens for a click event on the Add Task button. If the input field contains a value, a new task with a remove button is appended to the list by using the append method, and the input field is cleared. Additionally, it listens for a click event on the remove button of any task for removing the corresponding task from the list by using the remove method. Here is a live preview. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials.